Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing on how can we easily open up a Hugging Face model in Colab notebook. So there are a couple of ways that we can do. So I am in my Hugging Face web page, and what I am going to do, I am going to select a menu called the models here. So let me go and click on here models. So this will list out all the models. So for the time being, I am going to click on the DeepSeek R1. So let me click on this. So we can see different things here. We can see the model card, files and versions, and community things. So just go back to the right side of the web page. We can see use this model. Okay. So just click on this model. Just click on this menu. Here we can see the Google Colab. So click on it, and this will open up with a model and necessary installations, and we can easily able to do tryouts. Okay. So this is one way of doing this. Okay, so let me close this. Then another ways we can easily do, just do /colab here. So let me type /colab. So the /colab is so open up a notebook here. So this also, like in this way we can easily make use of the Colab with respect to the DeepSeek. So there are like some models, okay, they are actually providing some samples of code. Okay, so for example, I can take a model that is called now research. Let me take a model something like this. Okay, so here if you go to the files and version, we can see that there are some sample codes are there. You can see they have provided a notebook.ipynb. Okay, so in this case what happened is that if you try to open this in Colab notebook, so let me try to open, let me go back to the model and let me try this way. Let me click on the Google Colab. So if you open up this, what it does is it actually checks for the some notebook file here, something like this notebook.ipynb file. If that is exists, it will open that in the Google Colab notebook. Okay. So here we can see the same notebook open in the Google Colab. So this is a easy way of integration. Usually like earlier, like we have to copy paste everything to the Google Colab, but now it's very easy. We can directly integrate, or we can directly make use of a Colab, and we can do our tryouts very easily. So that is all about this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.